but young men, they're like a star on a summer morn. First they appear and then they're gone. They'll tell to you some loving story and make you think they love you well, and away they'll go uncaught and known, leave you there in pain to dwell. I wish I were a little sparrow, and I had wings and I could fly. I'd fly away to my own false love, and when he's talking I'll deny. But I am not a little sparrow. I have no wings, nor can I fly. I'll sit right here and weep in sorrow, and try to pass my troubles by, and try to pass